YouTube, this is Daniel Lopez, and this is gonna be your my updated fireworks stash. So I already showed you my video. Now I'll show you the continuation. Some Piccolo Pete, some TNT Blast, another Orchid, 2 more Purple Rain, 2 Neon Roman Candle, 2 Ground Blooms, some Assorted Snakes, the Diamond Cutter with the Firecrackle, and I have Alien Shells of Vengeance or Vengeance, something like that. That tells you what it does right here. Yeah, it's gonna be tight. And I'll make a separate unboxing video. Yeah, because my phone's about to die, so yeah. Alright, so yeah, comment, like, and see my skating video. Alright, peace out.